Now that, folks, that is how you fix a broken PTT. It only had a broken plastic piece on it right there. I don't know where, I can't remember where I got the microphone from, but a few icypole sticks. Spot on. Made in Australia. PTT. Absolutely beautiful. Got an old radio. Wound up the modulation. And yeah, so this volume control, whatever it is, can be used. So where it's at right now, with those two lights, is spot on for normal use, or you can wind it up for a bit extra boom boom, give people the shits. How's that, eh? Bloody beautiful.